Yep, if you're looking for a way to make Afrobeat, this is your video. I'm El Proto and this is alloneprostudio. Let's jump on it. On the metronome here so that I hear what I'm doing. That's 100 there. So you can just do this. Click, left click, then come to fill H4 step. Then you go. Let's put something on the snare, something Afrobeat. Yeah, that's something like that. But normally we will not use our snare. Let me look for something on percussion. Drums, percussion. Okay, that's better. So let's extend it. Village 4 step here. I'll just copy the same thing over here. So goes like that. And the hi-hat, we feel each 2 step. Let's do that. Let's hear it. So normally I'll go into the kick, Ctrl A, then increase the length a little, maybe like that. Then sometimes this Afrobeat, the kick is not just the same, like it's not just a stable kick like that. There's this kind of bounce, something like that, and something like this. So left click here to get this movement in none. See what happens if I take it here, just move like that. So that's why I came here and dropped it. No. So let's see what we have here. So there's this bounce to the kick because I took out this second one and the fourth one. So I can just delete this one. Hope you saw what I did there. Drag the second one out a little, drag the fourth one out a little, just 1 step after I put it in none here. So what you get is this. So there's this kind of bounce in the thing. Let me copy, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V to paste. We don't need this. Can delete it. So how I deleted it there, I just came to this point here, left click. I went to delete, and that was how I deleted that one. So you have something like this. Hope you enjoyed it. I will do a video after this one, and that one will be on percussion, how to get your percussions together. So hope you love it there. Like the video if you like it, and if you want me to do any special video, just let me know. The percussions will be coming. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you get great tips. I'm El Proto. This is alloneprostudio. That's it. I'm the best. I am alive.